Vector calculus problems. First problem, find divergence of vector f and curl of vector f, where vector f is equal to del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So first of all, here we have to find the value of vector f. Here vector f is equal to del of this function. So let's take this function as phi. So let phi be equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So finding del of phi is nothing but calculating gradient itself. So vector f is equal to gradient of phi, which is equal to del phi, and del phi can be calculated by using this formula, that is dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Vector f is equal to, let's calculate the first term. So dou by dou x of phi. So partially differentiate this function phi with respect to only x. So when you do that, you get x cube differentiation as 3x square. These two terms differentiation will be 0. And the last term, if you differentiate with respect to x, you get minus 3yz. So the first term, or dou phi by dou xi, will be 3x square minus 3yzi plus dou phi by dou yj. So partially differentiate phi with respect to y. So we get, this will be 0, this will be 0. You get 3y square minus 3xz into j plus dou phi by dou z k. That will be 3z square minus 3xy into k. That is obtained by partially differentiating phi with respect to z. So now I know what is the value of vector f. After calculating vector f, the next thing which we have to calculate here is the value of divergence of vector f and curl of vector f. Divergence of vector f is equal to del dot product with vector f, where del is the vector differential operator and del is equal to dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z k. Dot product with vector f. Vector f you have calculated just now, that is 3x square minus 3yzi plus 3y square minus 3xzj plus 3z square minus 3xyk. So calculate the dot product between these two vectors. So I get dou by dou x of the ith component here is 3x square minus 3yz plus jth component here is dou by dou y. Take the jth component here, that is 3y square minus 3xz. So the next term is plus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of the kth component here is 3z square minus 3xy. So if you solve it, if you differentiate the first term with respect to x, you get 6x. This term will be 0. If you differentiate the next term with respect to y, you get 6y. Last term, if you differentiate, you get 6z. So divergence of vector f is equal to 6x plus 6y plus 6z. Then we can calculate the value of curl of vector f, that is equal to del cross product with vector f. Del is again the vector differential operator, dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z k. So take the given vector f and find its cross product with del. So we get I. The ith component of del is dou by dou x and the ith component of vector f is 3x square minus 3yz. Then j and jth component of del is dou by dou y. Jth component of vector f is 3y square minus 3xz. K. Then kth component of del is dou by dou z, and here similarly for vector f the kth component is 3z square minus 3xy. So solve this determinant and get the result. So I into, leaving the first column and the top row, we get dou by dou y of this term 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of this term 3y square minus 3xz minus j vector into, leaving the second column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term minus dou by dou z of this term plus vector k into, leaving the third column and the top row, dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz. Now let's further solve it. So if you further differentiate the terms over here, what we get is I into, if you differentiate the first term here, you get minus 3x minus, if you differentiate the term with respect to z only, you get minus 3x again. So here what we get is minus 3x, and minus of minus 3x will be plus 3x. So 3x and 3x would cancel here. So you get 0i. Then similarly minus j into dou by dou x of this term will give you minus 3y here, minus dou by dou z of this term will give you minus 3y. So you get minus 3y, minus of minus 3y is again plus 3y. So they will cancel, you get plus 0j. Then here you get plus k into differentiation of 3y square minus 3xz with respect to x will be minus 3z. Here you get minus of minus 3z. So this becomes plus 3z, and here it is minus 3z. Cancelling, you get plus 0k. Since you get 0i plus 0j plus 0k, that's equal to 0 vector. Curl of vector f is equal to 0 vector. Please don't write 0 here. Curl f is a vector quantity. So curl vector f is equal to 0 vector. Next problem. If vector f is equal to del of xy cube z square, find divergence of vector f and curl of vector f at the point 1, minus 1, 1. So here phi is given. Phi is equal to xy cube into z square. So now here, first of all, let's calculate the value of vector f. Vector f is equal to del phi. So we have to find the value of gradient phi, because del phi is also called as gradient phi. Del phi is equal to dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k. So partially differentiate the given function phi with respect to x only. So when you do that, you get y cube z square I as the first term, plus partially differentiate function phi with respect to y. So you get 3x y square z square j, plus partially differentiate function phi with respect to z. So when you do that, you get 2x y cube z k. So now you know what is the value of vector f. Vector f is equal to gradient phi or del phi, and this is the result. Now let's calculate divergence of vector f. Divergence of vector f is calculated by taking the dot product of the given vector with the vector differential operator del. Del is equal to dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk, dot product with vector f which you have calculated just now. So that's equal to, taking the ith components together, we get dou by dou x of y cube z square plus dou by dou y of 3x y square z square plus dou by dou z of 2x y cube z. So let's solve it. Dou by dou x of the first term, there is no term of x here, so dou by dou x of this term will be 0, plus dou by dou y of the next term will be equal to 6x y z square plus dou by dou z of 2x y cube z will be 2x y cube. Now this is the value of divergence of vector f, that is 6xy z square plus 2xy cube. In these two terms you can take 2xy out, then you get 3z square here, and here you get y square. No need to further simplify, you can keep the terms like this itself. But here they are asking you to calculate the value of divergence of vector f at the point 1, minus 1, 1. This is the value of divergence of vector f for any given point xyz. But if you want to find the value of divergence of vector f for a given point, that is 1, minus 1, 1, what we need to do here is take this value and replace x by 1, y by minus 1 and z by 1. So put the value of x as 1, y as minus 1 and z as 1 here, and if you solve it, you will get the answer as minus 8. Let's calculate curl of vector f. Vector f is already calculated. Curl vector f is obtained by taking the cross product of given vector f with the vector differential operator del. So let's write the components I, j and k. Ith component of del is dou by dou x. Ith component of given vector f is y cube z square. Similarly we write j, dou by dou y 3xy square z square, k dou by dou z 2xy cube z. So let's solve it. Leaving the first column, I get I into, leaving the top row also, I get dou by dou y of this term, that's equal to dou by dou y of this term will be 2x into y cube, differentiation will be 3y square. So if you multiply, you get 3 into 2, 6xy square z, minus dou by dou z of this particular term. So if you differentiate this term with respect to z, you get 3xy square into 2z. So that will give you 6xy square into z. So you can see that 6xy square z will cancel with 6xy square z. So you get 0I here. Minus j into, leave the second column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term, that will give you 2y cube z, minus dou by dou z of this particular term will give you 2y cube z. So 2y cube z and 2y cube z will cancel, you get minus 0j, plus k into, leave the third column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term will give you 3y square z square, minus dou by dou y of y cube z square will give you 3y square z square. These two terms will also cancel. So you get 0k. So what we get here is 0I minus 0j plus 0k, which can be called as 0 vector. So curl vector f here is equal to 0 vector. Now suppose in this same problem, you got some answer for curl vector f instead of getting the answer as vector 0. If you had got some value in terms of x, y and z, something like that, then in that case what we have to do is, we have to calculate the value of curl of vector f at this particular point. That is, you have to put the value of x as 1, y as minus 1 and z as plus 1. Whereas in this case you don't have to do this, because the value of curl vector f is already equal to 0 vector. Third problem, if vector f is equal to 3x square y minus z into I plus xz cube plus y power 4 into j minus 2x cube into z square into k, find gradient of divergence of vector f at the point 2, minus 1 and 0. So now directly we can calculate the value of divergence of vector f, because in this problem they have directly given you the value of vector f here. So let's find divergence of vector f, that is del dot product with vector f. Del is the vector differential operator, it's here, dot product with given vector f. So let's calculate the dot product here. Dou by dou x of 3x square y minus z plus dou by dou y of xz cube plus y power 4 plus dou by dou z of minus 2x cube z square. So if we calculate the dot product here, you get the first term will be 6xy, this term will become 0, plus dou by dou y of this term, that will be 4y cube, and dou by dou z of this term, that will be minus 2x cube into 2z, that will be equal to minus 4x cube z. Now after calculation of divergence of vector f, what we have to calculate next here is gradient of divergence of vector f. Gradient of divergence of vector f is equal to del of divergence of vector f. Please note, del or gradient can be calculated for scalar point functions only. So this is a scalar here. What is del? Del is equal to dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k. And divergence of vector f is here, that is 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. So dou by dou x of the term here will give you 6y, this will be 0, this will be minus 12x square into z multiplied with I, plus dou by dou y of this whole term multiplied with j. So dou by dou y of this whole term will be 6x from this. This will be 4 into 3, that is 12y square, and this term will become 0. So the next term is 6x plus 12y square j. Then the last term that is dou by dou z of the term over here multiplied with k. So dou by dou z of this term will be 0, this term will also be 0, and here you get minus 4x cube into k. So gradient of divergence of vector f or del of divergence of vector f is equal to this term here. But now in the question what they have asked is calculate the value of gradient of divergence of vector f at the given point 2, -1, 0. So to calculate that, replace x here by 2, replace y here by -1 and replace z by 0. So first term here becomes 6 into -1, so minus 6 here. This term will become 0 because of z value which is 0. So first term becomes minus 6i plus second term 6 into x, x is 2, so you get 12, and here you get plus 12 into -1 square, -1 square is plus 1, so 12 plus 12 you get 24j minus 4 into x cube will be 2 cube, so you get 8 into 4 32, so you get minus 32k. Next problem, if vector A is equal to xz cube I minus 2x square yzj plus 2yz power 4k, find the values of the following, that is del dot vector A, del cross vector A, and del dot product with del cross vector A. We already know what is del dot vector A. Del dot vector A is divergence of vector A, and del cross product with vector A is curl of vector A. So instead of giving these notations here, they can ask you to calculate divergence of vector A and curl of vector A. And what is this thing here? Del dot del cross of vector A. We already know what is del cross of vector A, so this becomes curl of vector A. What is del dot of this term? Del denotes gradient, so this can also be called as gradient of curl of vector A. Let's calculate the values. So we get del dot vector A, that's equal to dou by dou x I plus dou by j plus dou by dou z k. This is del dot product with vector A. Vector A is xz cube I minus 2x square yzj plus 2yz power 4 k. So if you take the dot product, you get dou by dou x of xz cube minus dou by dou y of 2x square yz plus dou by dou z of 2yz power 4. So if you solve this, you get, if you differentiate this term here, you get z cube. If you differentiate the next term with respect to y partially, you get minus 2x square z. If you differentiate the next term partially with respect to z, that will be equal to, you get 4 from this, 4 into 2, 8y z cube. So this is your last term. So del dot vector A at the point 1, -1, 1. They have asked you to calculate the values of all these three things at this given point. So at the point 1, -1, 1, its value will be, put the value of x as 1, y as -1 and z as +1 here. So if you calculate, you get -9. Now let's find the value of del cross vector A. Del cross vector A is equal to I dou by dou x xz cube j dou by dou y, the corresponding term is minus 2x square yz, k dou by dou z 2y z power 4. So if you calculate this, you get I into, leaving the first column and the top row, dou by dou y of 2y z power 4. If you solve this and if you partially differentiate this term with respect to y, you get 2z power 4. Then minus dou by dou z of minus of this term. So sign will be positive. If you differentiate this with respect to z, you get minus of minus 2x square y, so it becomes plus 2x square y. Then minus j into, leaving the second column and the top row, you get dou by dou x of 2y z power 4, that is obviously 0, minus dou by dou z of xz cube, that will be equal to 3xz square plus k into, leaving the third column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term will be minus 4xyz, and dou by of this last term would be 0. So let's continue with this. You get 2 as a common term here, bring it out. Here you get z power 4 and here you get x square y. So you get 2 into x square y plus z power 4 I. You can write in any order. The order doesn't matter here. Then here minus into minus, so it becomes plus 3xz square j. And here you get minus 4xyz k. Now del cross vector A or curl of vector A is equal to this value, and if you want to calculate the value of curl of vector A at this given point, put x as 1, y as minus 1 and z as 1 in this expression. So if you solve this, you get 3j plus 4k. Now earlier I told you that this is gradient. I am extremely sorry. This must be divergence of curl vector A. Please correct this. It should be, here I told you that this is gradient. It's not gradient here. It is divergence of curl of vector A. This is curl here, the thing which is inside the parenthesis. If you calculate del dot del cross vector A, then that means you are finding divergence of curl of vector A. So divergence of curl of vector A is equal to del dot product with del cross vector A, that's here. What is del? Del is the vector differential operator dou by dou x I plus dou by j plus dou by dou z k. So let's calculate that. Take the dot product of dou by dou x I with the ith component here. So I get dou by dou x of 2x square y plus z power 4 plus jth components. So dou by of 3xz square plus kth component. So I get dou by dou z of minus 4xyz. So if you calculate this, you get, here I get 2 into 2xy. So that will give me 4xy here. This term obviously becomes 0. Next term here will be 0 because there is no term of y. Next term here will be minus 4xy. So if you solve it, you get 4xy minus 4xy, which is equal to 0. So the value of divergence of vector A at the given point, that is at the point 1 minus 1 comma 1, is equal to minus 9, and curl of vector A or del cross vector A is equal to 3j plus 4k at this given point, and divergence of curl of vector A is equal to 0. Next problem, this is important. If vector f is equal to x plus y plus 1 into I plus j minus x plus y into k, show that vector f dot product with curl vector f is equal to 0. So here vector f is already given to you in the question. So first let's calculate the value of curl of vector f. After calculating curl of vector f, let's check whether this dot product, that is the dot product of vector f with curl vector f, is equal to 0. Curl vector f is equal to del cross vector f. Del is the vector differential operator. So I into dou by dou x of, the ith component here is x plus y plus 1, j dou by, this is 1, k dou by dou z, and here it is minus of x plus y. Minus of x plus y is minus x and minus y. So leaving the first column and the top row, we get dou by of minus of x minus y. So if you differentiate this term with respect to y, you get minus 1, minus dou by dou z of 1, that is 0, minus j into, leave the second column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term will be minus 1 minus 0, because if you differentiate dou by dou z of, or if you differentiate x plus y plus 1 partially with respect to z, you get 0, plus k into, leave the last column and the top row, dou by dou x of 1 is 0, minus dou by of x plus y plus 1 will be 1. So if you solve it further, here you will be getting minus 1 into I, here you get plus 1, because minus of minus, you get plus j, and here you get minus k. So now we have curl vector f value, and this is vector f here. Take the dot product. So vector f is x plus y plus 1 into I plus j minus of x plus y into k, dot product with curl vector f, that is minus I plus j minus k. So multiplying the ith components together, I get the first term as x plus y plus 1 into minus 1. Multiplying the jth components, we get 1. Multiplying the kth components, we get minus and again minus here. So it becomes plus x plus y. So if you solve it further, you get minus x, which can be cancelled with plus x here, minus y, which can be cancelled with plus y here, minus 1, which will be cancelled with 1. So you can see that vector f dot curl vector f is equal to 0. Or you can even say that vector f is perpendicular to curl vector f. Next problem, find curl of curl vector A, given that vector A is equal to xyi plus y square zj plus z square yk. So first let's calculate curl of this given vector. So curl of vector A is equal to del cross product with vector A. So ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou by dou by dou z from del. Then vector A is equal to xy, and here you get y square z, here you get z square y. So let's solve this determinant. We get I into, leaving the first column and the top row, we get dou by of this term, that will give you z square. Dou by dou z of this term will give you minus y square. Leaving the second column and the top row, dou by dou x of this term will be obviously 0, minus dou by dou z of xy will be definitely 0, plus k into, leaving the third column and the top row, dou by dou x of y square z will be 0, dou by dou y of xy will be equal to x. So if you solve it further, you get z square y square I, this is anyway 0, and here you get minus xk. Now what we have to calculate here is curl of curl vector A. So this is curl vector A now. We have to find the curl of this value. Now curl of curl vector A is equal to del cross vector A. So ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then here the ith component of curl vector A is z square minus y square. We don't have any jth component, so it is 0. Kth component is minus x. So I into, leaving the first column and the top row, dou by dou y of minus x will be 0. Then minus dou by dou z of 0 will be definitely 0. Minus j into, leaving the second column and the top row, dou by dou x of minus x will be minus 1. Then dou by dou z of this term, z square minus y square will be minus 2z, plus k into, leaving the third column and the top row, so dou by dou x of 0 is 0, minus dou by dou y of z square minus y square will give you minus 2y. So minus of minus 2y becomes plus 2y. So you get, from here you get 0, here you get plus 1 plus 2z, so you get 1 plus 2zj, here you get plus 2y,